What is good, Tesla family? It's your boy Ray J back with another video, and in this video, I have some insane things to talk about. I have a huge Elon Musk update that just came out. I want to talk about the significance of this and why this is actually a really great day for Tesla. I want to talk about what the mainstream media has been saying about Tesla as well. That makes me very excited. There are good pieces of news out there. I want to talk about what Elon Musk put on his Twitter page that's actually big for Tesla as well. Before I do get started with the Elon Musk tweets, the technical analysis, and all that good stuff, I do have to mention, I'm not a financial legal or taxation expert, so don't take this as financial legal or taxation advice. Everything in this video is solely for entertainment purposes only. And also, if you guys can, please smash that like button if you want to see more videos like this. It not only benefits me, but it benefits the entire Tesla community as a whole. With all that out of the way, let's get on with the video. So Tesla started off at $1,062 a share. It ran all the way up to about 1,120. Then after that, we saw some kind of sideways action, but I don't want to call it that. I want to call it stability. Really good stability at a higher range. Then we dropped and closed at 1,116 flats, up over 0.63% for the day. And guys, do not let the numbers fool you. Even though we are up 0.63%, this is actually a really awesome day. It's not just a good day, it's an absolutely phenomenal day, and I'm about to show you guys why. Okay, look at the Bollingers. You can see that we touched the upper band. It looks totally normal, right? And even though we are showing stability at this high range, I think that this is a absolutely fantastic day because Elon Musk, the man, the myth, the legend, Elon Musk sold $1 billion worth of Tesla shares on Tuesday. Now, you guys are probably confused. Why is this an awesome day? Well, first off, I did not report this in my previous video yesterday because I didn't know about this news until a few hours after I uploaded it, and this came out relatively late. So everyday investors all over the world, they didn't find out about this until later. So typically you see a reaction to the news today. Typically Tesla should have had a big dump because Elon Musk just sold some shares. Instead, we closed in the green. And my point is that the news like this is becoming more normalized. People are not as emotional to Elon Musk selling some Tesla shares. Now, his act of selling 1 billion could bring the price down alone because he is selling some shares. Obviously, the price would probably go down. And in addition to that, it was noted yesterday that the Treasury yields rose as investors digested the Powell renomination, and the 10-year yield topped 1.67%. So I think these are the two main things that caused Tesla to drop. However, like I said before, we are not in the red again. Even after the news is just barely spreading about Elon Musk, we are in the green. Very good sign. So you guys are probably wondering, why is Elon Musk selling so much Tesla? Well, it turns out this is the reason. CNBC reported that Elon Musk faces a $15 billion tax bill, which is likely the real reason he's selling stock. Now, there were articles that came out and they stated that, oh, Elon Musk is selling Tesla shares because it's not good, this and that. I saw articles like that. I'm just trying to put it out there, guys, that the main reason why he's selling is because of the $15 billion tax bill. And so far, he sold around $11 billion or so dollars worth of Tesla shares, maybe a little bit more than that. So he's almost towards the end of this selling cycle. But once again, like I told you guys, it's not bad because investors are getting used to it. Investors, they know exactly what's going on. And that, in my opinion, is a very good sign of strength. So let me bring up the 6-month chart for Tesla and show you guys the MACD and the RSI. Check this out. The MACD, despite the fact that we dropped yesterday, the MACD is still showing green histograms, and it's very close to just crossing, but we're not necessarily crossing just yet. We managed to hold it and stop it from crossing, which is a good sign of stability and a very bullish indicator for the near-term future. Now, I'm not sure about tomorrow slash Friday, because tomorrow it's Thanksgiving and the market is obviously going to be closed. And also on Friday, the market is only open for half a day. So that means that I don't know what's going to happen on Friday, but I definitely think that next week is going to be a good week for Tesla because look at the RSI. We dropped a little bit in terms of the share price, but the RSI is holding up really strong at 53.23. And we also didn't drop too badly, so that's another reason why. But the RSI is indicating lots and lots of strength, which is a good sign for Tesla. Now, let me show you guys something else that's very interesting. If we look at the EMAs just real quick, right now we can see that the lines they got a little bit closer together at the very top, as you could see. And I know I'm trying to oversimplify this for you guys, but it doesn't matter. The lines got a little bit closer, which is showing that Tesla's stabilizing. And I do want to see them spread out a little bit more so we can start a bullish cycle. But it's right now it's showing stability. That's the main indicator and the main thing to look at. Good stability is here, which means that next week should be a pretty good week for Tesla. Now, once again, I'm very, very happy that even though Elon Musk sold more Tesla shares and people didn't find out until yesterday at the nighttime or even early today, as this article, for instance, came out 5 hours ago, people barely found out, and yet Tesla did not drop. It's still in the green. I'm very happy about that. But, anyways, I'm going to go on with other big updates before I talk about what I think is going to play out for Tesla again. But looking at this right over here, Inside EV stated that this Tesla Model 3.5 design could be a global top seller. Now, why am I talking about this? Well, this is a new design that they came out with, and I'm not necessarily sure if this is how it's going to end up coming out. But I do want to note that the Tesla Model 3 is the best selling EV of all time. It's super, super popular all over the world, especially in many European countries. And that to me would be absolutely awesome if this design came out. I'm not sure if it will, but even if it doesn't come out, I still think that the Tesla Model 3 is a beast and it has insane potential to even get more sales. But I'm just putting it out there that this could be something very promising and that people should actually look into this as something that could come out. Now, I want to talk about this right over here. Tesla unveils a $20,000 carbon ceramic brake kit for its Tesla Model S Plaid. Once again, another good piece of news. For those of you who don't know, the Tesla Model S Plaid is another version of the Model S, and it is able to go 0 to 60 in 1.9 seconds. It is the second, if not almost the first, quickest production car on the market with insane acceleration. It has insane horsepower and is an absolutely awesome car. It was able to break a few track records. It's very cool. So this new kit, or at least this new braking kit, is going to be really, really awesome for investors, for people that are actually interested in buying the car. And I think it's another very good piece of news for Tesla. Absolutely awesome. I want to talk about this right here. It states that Tesla states an ultimatum. It sends an ultimatum to buyers who keep delaying batteries. And that, in my eyes, is something that's really, really, really helpful for a Tesla. And I know that it may not, some people may interpret it as not the best customer service, but at the end of the day, Tesla is now putting a little bit more pressure on people that are delaying orders when it comes to the shift for the EV market. And here's an example of a letter. It says right over here. It says, "Hi buyer, we are contacting you to offer you a final opportunity to take delivery of your car," and then the car on order placed on the date of this. "We contacted you in the very last delivery attempt. You requested that you delay cancellation of your order because you still plan to purchase the vehicle. However, our records indicate that you have not taken the delivery." So they're basically trying to incentivize investors, or not just investors, but buyers, Tesla buyers, to buy the cars and maybe not delay orders, because that's not the best for Tesla in terms of its, marketing, in terms of its production. But at the end of the day, to me, that's actually something that's going to help production. It's going to help their sales, and it's going to incentivize more and more and more revenue for the company over shorter periods of times, because this pushes people to actually commit to buying more Teslas during particular pieces of time instead of delaying it, which is not necessarily the best. So, in my eyes, it's a pretty good piece of news, and it makes me very excited for how it's going to affect their revenue in the near term future. Now, looking at this right over here, Tesla's offering free supercharging in off peak hours to help alleviate holiday traffic. Once again, a great piece of news. Free supercharging during peak hours in California to help with the traffic and the long wait hours at superchargers. And once again, it's been really tough when the holidays come, and they're basically helping people as much as they can. They're trying to improve their customer service, and the main thing to take away from this is the fact that they're improving customer experience. Absolutely awesome. They have had discounting supercharging rates, and now they're offering some free rates, which I think would be really cool. And the more they do this, guys, from an investor standpoint, they're improving customer service. More customers could tell other customers, thus causing more people to even invest in Tesla or even buy more cars. Once again, an awesome piece of news. Now, I do want to go on with some Elon Musk tweets before I finalize the video. Unfortunately, he did not tweet too much about Tesla in terms of how he wrote things, but he did actually like a lot of big posts, which I think are significant. So he has been tweeting more about SpaceX, okay, which is why he didn't tweet too much about Tesla. but he did like this tweet right here. It says that the full self-driving beta 10.5 is phenomenal. Great progress by the full self-driving team. The car is more assertive and accurate. Can't wait to do more testing at Elon Musk. And he liked the tweet, which I think is very good. Once again, the beta 10.5 is improving as time progresses. In my video yesterday, I talked about the progress they made. He did tweet a lot yesterday, so I did show you guys a ton of tweets yesterday, which is why he maybe tweeted a little bit less about Tesla. And the last thing I noticed is this right over here. He made a joke. It says, now if only full self-driving beta could fix the broken McFlurry machine at Elon Musk. And Elon Musk said that such miracles are beyond us. I find that very funny and humorous. And once again, good piece of news, good laugh about Tesla. Absolutely awesome. So for what I expect to happen on Friday, once again, I'm not too sure if we're going to be in the green or red as it is just half a day. It's a little bit hard to predict. So it doesn't really matter too much. I am very excited and happy that we closed right before Thanksgiving in the green, especially after the Elon Musk news. And to me, I'm very, very excited because I think next week we could continue on the bullish cycle once again. That is dependent on other factors as well, but it's very probable that we will. As long as the MACD remains the way it is, it's very probable that we're going to see some more green in the future. Now, regardless of the short term, regardless of what's playing out right now, I'm very, very bullish and very excited for this company. I see huge moves coming. I see $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 a share coming up in the upcoming years. I'm very excited. With that said and done, guys, please enjoy the weekend, enjoy your Thanksgiving, and please take care. I'll see you on the next video. Tesla's going to the moon, and peace out.